everyone, myself Aniket, and our today's focus is to understand the concept of palindrome number. So let's go to Google first and see what is palindrome number. A palindrome number is a number that is same after reverse. For example, we can see that 545 is a palindrome number. As on reversing the digit 545, we get the same number as 5, 4 and 5. So similarly 151, 343 and 171 are also palindrome number. So till now you have learned that what is a palindrome number. So let's go and implement in Java platform. So going into the Java platform now. Making a new class, name palindrome first. It's a simple program. First we have to import the Java package for the user input. Then we have to initialize the class. Suppose here the class name is palindrome, as it is a program of palindrome number. Then we have to write the code as public static void main, then string arts. Then we have to write throws IO exception for in the case of user input, throws IO exception. Then we have to go, I am going here with data input stream. You can go with buffer reader or scanner also, as your wish. New data input string system.N. Now we have to take input from the user. So we have to first print a message for the user for its simplicity. So we are firstly printing the message as enter the number. We checked 2B. So now we have to initialize the inputted number from the user in a variable. So let's say here n to be that variable, integer dot parse int, then in dot read line. Now as we have taken input from the user in the variable n, so we have to check whether the number n is palindrome or not. So to check, we have to first reverse the digit and then make it equal with the number n. If it will be equal to number n, then it is a palindrome number. So let's go. I am here dealing with while loop. You can go with for or do while also. First we have to get the number in another variable, as we will be using it in while loop. N is not equal to 0, then while n is not equal to 0, here we will take a variable d, here n mod n, take out a digit, and then we would reverse it by doing r into 10 plus d. We have to remove digit by digit of the variable n. So to do so, we have to write n equal to n by n. Now closing of the while loop. Now we have completed with the reverse of the digit in the variable r. Now we can move forward and check whether the number is palindrome or not. So to do so, we have to write the condition as if c, where we have stored the initial value of n, is equal to r, where we have reversed the digit. If this statement states true, then it's a palindrome number. Now we can display the message. It's a palindrome number. Now, towards the if part, we would be using else part as system dot out dot println. It's not a palindrome number. As if the condition states false, it's not a palindrome number. Now if part close, now the main close, now class. Now we have to initialize the variables here. Int, the variable used n, then c, n should be equal to 0, then c, then d we have used, then we have used r should be initialized as 0. Okay, now we can compile the program by pressing ctrl plus k. Yeah, you can see here that the class compiled, no syntax error. Now we can run our program and check whether it's correct or not. Enter the number to be checked. Here you can see the displayed message. First I am entering the number 151, as 151 is a palindrome number, so it should give it's a palindrome number, so it's running correctly. Now to check the else statement, I am running the program twicely as wrong statement 198 is not a palindrome number. So by here we come to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it and be connected, and if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. So bye bye.